ubiya wabuyela esitayeleni sabo sakudala be-ANC esesiphuphi esasetshenziswa uRamaphosa ngesikhathi sama-riots wathi we won't be controlled by one ethnic group. Saphinde sasetshenziswa uGwede Mantashe eshokhwe ukuthi i-ANC lose ama-elections. What KZN people are tribalists. Yeah, it's a tribalist party, MK party. Yeah, manje uSibiya usethi it's one province that is doing this and the whole country is allowing it. It's KZN. Yazi le strategy senu siphuphile. Sokuzama uku-isolate abantu base-KZN bapainte as bad people. This is for the good cause. Whether Limpopo, Free State or Cape Town, this is for the good cause. Bophani, thatha team yase-KZN, bophani kwasani, thina nje we are behind you. Sesiyijwayele lento yabo. KZN this, KZN that. It won't work. It won't work. Siyayiziba nje ngoba into engekho.